Alright, hail or shine, it's Macca adventure time. We are not off on a good start this morning. What have I done? Too many beers in Adelaide for me mate's 40th and lost me sunny, so pretty bright and I can't even see. Bloody my car wouldn't start, battery's flat, jet ski battery is also flat. I've got my jump pack just in case. It's very low tide, so I'm probably not going to be able to put the ski out, and I've driven 50 k's down the road just to try to charge my battery in my car up. But we're going to try to get some squid if I can push the ski out here. She's low. Oh, but we're good. We're good. We're always good. It's currently 10 degrees. It's freaking freezing. Come on. Can you start? Do it for the team. Come on. Oh, me life jacket. Gonna be shit me. Good start. Not very good start. You stay there. Back in business. Safety first. Stood on the raise the fixture. Come on! Woohoo! She starts. She low. Snake out of here. Alright. Ugg boots back on. We're ready to go. Gotta warm up those ears. Oh, it's not going everywhere. Alright, my secret squid spot. It's probably the last time I'm going to use this jet ski for a while. I'm going to go live in Indo for a bit, so better catch some. What we have here is a monster. Ooh. Don't want to lose him. Don't want to lose him. Oh, mate, look at that. Bloody beautiful, oh, specimen. Woo. Refreshing. Little squirt. Oh well, just put him out of his misery there. Oh, just by the tent. One little baby tentacle. Ah, you got me in the sleeve, you little bastard. Got him there. Oh, beautiful. I knew the secret weapon would work. Shit, here we go again. Oh, can he filming? Oh, can he? No, yes he can. Oh, that is a bloody beautiful one. She's just hanging there too though. Look at that. Alright. Someone's gonna get squid in the face in a second. Get ready for it. Oh yeah. Oh, look at that. Oh, not on the Ugg boots. Secret weapons. Tell you what, you can't get any better conditions. Bloody winter time. If it was like this all the time, there's no way I'd be moving to Indonesia. Couple there. Oh, has he got it? Come on. See what I do, little fella. Oh, ink the camera, are you? Not a very good idea. Oh, bloody Uggies again. Another. Nice little calamari. Alright, change of plan. I think got enough squid. I don't think I'm going to go on the beach now. Tide's coming in the car. I don't know what's going to happen with that. I think it'd be too hard to reverse it anyway. So we're going to go home and we're going to pickle that squid up. My secret recipe. Show you once because I probably won't be able to show you again. Got enough beach left. But will it start is the question. Moment of truth. Yes! We're on! We made it out. So we've got our squid here. What we're gonna do is just chop their tentacles off. Straight off the nostril. And this is what we're gonna pickle. Give that to the pets. Keep them. We're gonna blanch them later. Heads. Feed them to the animals. Look at the beauty. Feed the whole family that one. See their little beak? It's like a parrot. You don't want to get bitten by that. Just take the wings off. Get your finger under there. Just push it through. Done. Oh, look at that big dog. Finger in, squeeze. Pull off. Your other finger. The other side. Through. Pull. Tube. Tubey. Get this excess skin off. It's easy if you check out my other video. I think I've got a couple of squid ones on there where you put them in the scaling bag, drag them behind the boat, and come out clean as a whistle. Alright, what should we do? We'll show you a big one. We've got the feather. Get your finger right in there, just kind of snap it off. Come here, get in there. Oh yeah, no, yep, no. Alright, here we go. In here. Come on. Look at that. It's backbone. It's like a little feather. Put it behind your ear. Pick stuff out your teeth. Do whatever you want with it. But if you do it good, see how I've done that. When I pull the feather out, that gets sucked in. Give it a finger. Poke it in. Push it out. Get rid of all the excess guts. There you have it. Clean tube. In the kitchen. Cut up our squid tentacles. Boiling water. We're going to blanch it. In we go. Blanch, baby. While we're waiting for that to come to the boil, Quits, Italian herb. Pickling dish. All in. Oh, you smell the aroma. It's good. You got white vinegar. Pour it in. Just let that marinate while we wait for the squid to boil. Alright, we're boiled. Over. Bloody kids just got home from school, ruining me video. Don't drip it on the floor. Oopsies. And in you go. Walkie. Alright. Let that soak overnight. And She'll be good. We'll come back in 24 hours, show the end result.